Oh, he might be getting lucky over here. My name's Sarah Dwyer, and I now am famous because I ate a bug on TV and sell lots and lots of chocolate-covered cicadas. I've been a chocolatier for 10 years. If it did not work, I would not be selling them. But when you combine the chocolate, the cinnamon, and the nuttiness of the bugs, it really gives you that like holiday feeling when you're walking around a big city and they're roasting nuts on the sidewalk and you have that cinnamon smell. It's really what it tastes like. This is a dark chocolate cicada, and this has the cinnamon in it. And then this one is a milk chocolate cicada with cinnamon. And then these over here are milk chocolate with the Old Bay. They're everywhere. And so this is where we gather most of them. Here's number 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean, they're just, honestly, we captured so many out here, and now there's just, like, it's like you can't even make a dent in them because there's trillions. So when they're butt to butt, that's when they need to get a room. So these two are probably talking now. You've got another couple here. So the little tiny hatchlings fall down, and then they live off tree sap. They look like aliens. And then they start singing.
So they're calling on you. Mm-hmm. They don't know what's coming.
They already died. They were frozen. And then we just want to clean them really quickly, just like you would a fish or anything else that you wanted to eat from outside. And then we just bring them over here. You want to put them in the air fryer, so we put a little oil on them, but not much. And then we dust them with a little cinnamon. And I'm going to shake it up a little bit. But once we put them in the air fryer, this one for probably about 8 minutes at 400. I did have to figure all this out. Then when they come out, they'll be super crunchy and really delicious. So then I'm gonna grab a bug, roll it in the chocolate, and then I did go to pastry school in Paris to learn my dipping technique. I'm pretty sure no one thought I would be using it on cicadas. I mean, this is also how you would do fresh truffles. Mm-hmm. And then you drop it in here, give it 2 rolls, then you pull it out. So that one is probably a female right there because it's so nice and big. There's not enough protein to go around, and I think, you know, I really do think that this will be something that in 2038 people will not think twice about eating a bug at all. Eight, 10, 11, 12. And there they are, chocolate-covered cicadas.